Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can put a new SIM card into your iPhone 12. So here we have some SIM cards. This one here is a standard, this is a micro, this is a nano. This iPhone 12 will take a nano, the smallest SIM card. Often on SIM cards you can reduce the size down, so this is a micro, but look, push out the middle and then it becomes a nano. Now we will need a SIM removal tool or a small little screwdriver or paper clip, something like that. And the SIM card tray is just located here on the left hand side of the phone. So we're going to get the SIM removal tool and we're just going to put it into the hole and we're going to press down. So you put it in about 1mm, you feel resistance, press down and it will pop the tray out. That will allow you then to pull the tray out like that. Same thing applies if you were to use a little screwdriver. Put it in here till you get to the resistance and then just press it and it will pop out. This is where we're going to place our nano SIM card. So if you have a look closely, you can see that there's a bit taken off the corner here, a little bevel bit of 45 degree. So the card can actually only go in one way. It can only go in this way here. And you can see it rests into place. If you were to put it in from underneath, it's going to fall straight out. So that is the way it goes. And we're going to line up the hole here with the hole on the actual phone. So you can see the holes at the bottom. So line up hole to hole. Place it in there like so. Make sure when it goes in that the SIM card is nicely in the tray and it hasn't buckled out. And then just push it down and push it flat. And that's it. That's how to install a SIM card on the iPhone 12. Thanks for watching.